Hello guys, welcome back to another Mr. Penguin video, and today I will be ranking the Balkans, but due to me being a little sick, my voice is a little weird, so yes. So let's start by not ranking Italy because they are not in the Balkans. Okay. So Bosnia-Herzegovina. It's a nice country, but it has too many mines, so 8 tier. And okay. So for what am I doing? 8 tier. Serbia. It's a nice country, but still 8 tier. Albania. The flag is very beautiful, so but still mines, so B tier. Bulgaria. It's a very simple tricolor, but it's a little boring, so C tier. Croatia. It's a very nice flag, and the coat of arms is beautiful, so S tier. Greece. How do I add a new tier? Well, it's a very nice country if you are from the island regions, but have you ever been into Omonia? Yeah, that puts it down to C tier. Montenegro, that flag is like Albania, and it's also a nice country, I think, and they also sleep, so A tier. Romania, it's a simple tricolor, but again a little boring, so but it's better than Bulgaria. Turkey, D tier, because it's two colors and it's boring, like a moon and a star, that's boring. Slovenia, it's a nice flag with a nice coat of arms, so it deserves A tier with Serbia, Montenegro. Italy, D. It's an also boring tricolor, but it's the same as Bulgaria. North Macedonia, it's a nice flag. It has the star of the North Macedonians and not the Macedonians. There are different stars, so B tier. And Kosovo doesn't exist, so D tier. Okay, this is my ranking of the Balkan flags. Thanks for watching.